It's time to get to work with the help of Ed Payne Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram Commercial and Fleet Division. We have a new 2024 Ram 3500, tons of fun. Oh yeah, big red here, Cummins diesel under the hood. Oh yeah, 17-inch chrome alloy wheels wrapped in Nexen Rhodians. Chrome side steps, premium cloth inside. She is a 6-seater, yes. We have a console right here, 6 auxiliaries, integrated trailer brake controller, connectivity, AC controls. You connect with Bluetooth, also standard gauge cluster with digital driver information station, and a traditional shifter, hands-free controls on the steering wheel, and also plenty of room and storage here in the back. But guess what? Drop that seat. Once again, a 6-seater, rear air in the bottom. And guess what? Flatbed capability, storage boxes underneath, and also railing on the side. Stick some 2x4s in there and do an improvised rail car. That's right. And also, we do have the receiver here in the back, so you can also pull a trailer. So come on home here to Ed Payne Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram in Weslaco, Texas, with their commercial and fleet division for this new 2024 Ram 3500 flatbed truck. And don't forget about those rebates, incentives, and tax credits when you have this vehicle go through your business. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, but we have what you want. Look at tu quieras, regardless.